Orange. 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 Hi, and today we are going to learn fruit. This is grapefruit. 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 Pineapple. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. 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 These are pineapples. Melon. Melon. This is a melon. 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 Watermelon. 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 This is kiwi. 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 These are kiwis. Kiwi. Kiwis. Pears. Pear. These are pears.
No, okay.
This is a pear. Can you say pear? Can you say pear? Lime. Lime. These are limes. Lime. 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 Oranges. 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 Orange. Orange. These are oranges. Oranges. So you said. Cantaloupe melon. Cantaloupe melon. Cantaloupe melon. Can you say cantaloupe melon? Cantaloupe melon. Grapes. 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 Can you say grapes? Grapes. Plums. Plums. Plum. Can you say plum? Plum. Strawberry. 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 Blueberry. 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 Dates. 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 Apple. 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 Banana. 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 Banana.